Hey guys, Chris from Pro Beast Audio Installation, and today we're doing an unboxing of the 10-inch Rockford Fosgate Prime subwoofer. In this unboxing, we're going to show you everything that this package comes with, along with some of the specs on the sub. We're going to go ahead and get it all pulled apart and show you really everything that it comes with. Okay, there we are. Great entry-level sub. These things are actually relatively cheap. We picked this up on Amazon. Now we have a plastic cone and dust cap here. We have a rolled foam surround. 250 watts RMS, 500 watts peak. Model here is R2D2-10, 2 ohm sub, dual voice coil. Again, it's part of their Prime series. It does have a foam gasket around the back here, so it does seal a little bit better on the box. Now check down in the description, we'll have all the specs listed, just in case you want to see exactly what type of box volume that this requires, both ported and sealed. Now the cool thing is, also with this, not a lot of manufacturers do this still, but it actually came with a nice set of screws. They're nice hex screws, and it comes with a bit as well, so you can get that mounted. Now this subwoofer, because it is a dual 2 ohm voice coil, meaning that we have a 2 ohm here and a 2 ohm here on this version, this allows us to wire it in series or in parallel, just like most subwoofers. But in this one specifically, we typically wire these in series, bringing the final impedance of the subwoofer up to 4 ohms, and we're going to match it with another one identical to it, wire it in parallel, bringing it back to 2 ohms. So kind of an interesting configuration, but this will allow us to match it to our amplifier a little bit more effectively, just so we're not overpowering these subs, because again, they're about 250 watt RMS. That's kind of our target power output. This video is sponsored by HighFlex.com, your go-to place for great fitting shorts that are comfortable and don't suck. Pick yourself up a pair of Stretch Flex Hero shorts and get 15% off at checkout with coupon code PROVOBEAST. Now we have our test box here. Let's go ahead and get this sub mounted up and hear it bump. If you have any questions about this Rockford Fosgate, go ahead and post a comment below. Again, like I said, I'll have the specs here in the description. If you want to pick some of these up yourself, we found them in a package of 2 on Amazon. Thanks again for watching, you guys. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and we will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.